Would you like all of your employees to be trained in lean management? To be able to train wherever they want? Whenever they want? Now they can with 7Shapes School, the 100% online school for lean. The 7Shapes School offers a practical and fun solution for training in lean management regardless of your level. The learning paths at 7Shapes School consist of modules that unlock as you progress through training videos, interactive lessons, quizzes, and games. You'll learn all of the lean concepts. And with the real-time simulation, our solution's major innovation, you'll be able to put all of your acquired knowledge into practice. Try, fail, succeed, but most importantly, learn. Plus, the 7Shapes School adapts to your needs. Are you looking for a specific course? A design that reflects your company colors? Your own quiz? No worries, we offer a solution tailor-made for you. Whether you're a consultant, an instructor, an HR manager, or in charge of your company's operational excellence, with 7Shapes School, you can train all of your employees autonomously or via blended learning. Track their progress and manage your courses with an interface specially dedicated to monitoring your learners. We also offer certification training courses given by our in-house experts. So, to create a lean culture of continuous improvement, boost your team's collective intelligence and your company's operational excellence, make 7Shapes School a key part of your training program.